How to update your Python version in Pycharm. So you can do it directly over here. Just changing your interpreter. Go ahead into your settings and then go ahead to Python and then interpreter. Here you can choose the Python version you have. Let's say the 3.14 version, just go ahead and choose that. But make sure you do add it as an interpreter. So you can add it over here. You can choose from the available options. You have your Python latest version in, let's say your local interpreter, and then you can generate a new one and make sure you choose the latest or whatever version you want. So it will be found over here. If you don't have it yet, just go ahead and press on download and install and then press on OK, and it should generate you the newer or whichever version you chose. Then just go ahead and choose the Python version here and then press on apply and then OK. But that's pretty much how you can do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.